Welcome to TR Walks. Today, we're taking you on a journey through Toronto's Chinatown East, a neighborhood filled with vibrant culture, delicious food, and stunning views. Let's dive in. Our exploration begins on Gerrard Street East, the heart of Chinatown East. This area is renowned for its mouthwatering Chinese restaurants, bakeries, and shops. The fragrant aromas here will tempt your taste buds, offering a diverse range of flavors. From traditional dim sum to unique regional specialties, you'll find dishes that cater to your cravings. Don't miss the charming bakeries with their sweet treats like egg tarts and custard buns. As you explore the bustling shops, you'll discover unique trinkets, herbs, and spices. This neighborhood is a culinary paradise, inviting you to savor its delicious offerings. Now we've arrived at Riverdale Park East, a delightful hidden gem within Chinatown East. This expansive park offers breathtaking panoramic views of the iconic Toronto skyline, making it a picturesque spot to unwind and soak in the city's beauty. Whether you're in the mood for a leisurely stroll along its well-maintained pathways or a tranquil picnic surrounded by lush greenery, Riverdale Park East caters to both relaxation and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The serene ambiance and the stunning backdrop of Toronto's skyscrapers create an idyllic setting for visitors to connect with nature. You can enjoy a peaceful escape right in the heart of this vibrant neighborhood. Next, let's explore the iconic East Chinatown Arch, a powerful symbol representing the vibrant cultural identity of this neighborhood. Standing tall and proud, this arch has become a beloved landmark, reflecting the unity and pride of the local community. The East Chinatown Arch is not just a piece of architecture, it's a testament to the rich heritage and history of this area. Many visitors and residents alike flock to this spot to take memorable photos, capturing the essence of Chinatown East. The arch's intricate design and vibrant colors add a touch of beauty to the streets while serving as a reminder of the strong bonds that tie this community together. As we continue on, you don't want to miss the opportunity to appreciate the remarkable street art that graces the walls of Chinatown East. Here, exceptionally skilled artists have turned ordinary walls into captivating canvases, infusing the streets with a burst of creativity and color. These murals tell unique stories, celebrate diversity, and reflect the neighborhood's dynamic spirit. From intricate designs to vivid larger-than-life depictions, the street art in Chinatown East is a visual feast for anyone who takes the time to explore. Each piece adds a layer of artistic expression to the urban landscape, making this neighborhood not only a culinary and cultural hub but also a canvas for artistic inspiration. Be sure to take in these incredible artworks as you wander through this vibrant community. This concludes our walking tour of Toronto's Chinatown East. This neighborhood is a melting pot of cultures, flavors, and artistic expression. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour, and if you have the opportunity, we encourage you to visit and experience it in person. You can now give a thanks donation to the channel if you wish to support us in creating more videos like this. Also, likes and comments are always free and appreciated. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.